Hi, I'm Debbie Barnett, and welcome to Mahjpedia, proudly presented by MahjCon, the pioneering app that provides comprehensive information on American Mahjong rules, strategies, fun facts, and more. Let's take a look at how to use the search feature by putting in the word dead. When the next screen comes up, you will see all the articles about dead hands. Let's go ahead and click on Jokers and the Concealed Hand Declared Dead. Now you can read the article. From this screen, you could search for something else without having to go back. So let's check out some of the strategy articles. And let's say we want to look at the flower strategy article. Click on it, and here you go. Now I want to talk about effective searching. Notice at the top of the box it says, when searching, remember a few words are better than many. A single word will get you the widest range of choices, such as commitment or dead. 2 to 3 words, such as exposures in, will narrow it down a bit more, and 3 to 4 words will narrow it down to one article. Avoid typing full sentences, such as picking up a discard, as they might not produce a hit. Go ahead and arrow back to the home page of the app. Here you will find main categories. If you want to read all of the strategy articles, just click on Strategy, where you can now peruse all of the articles. Want to share an article or rule with a student or friend? Text it, email it, or even share it on Facebook. We hope you'll enjoy using Mahjpedia, always at your side and up to date. We hope you'll subscribe to the app so you can start enjoying all the features it has to offer.